Ashwagandha, also known as Indian ginseng, has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine. But what makes this herb so powerful? Let's explore its benefits, history, and how it can enhance your health. Ashwagandha has been a staple in Ayurvedic medicine for over 3,000 years. Traditionally, it was used to boost energy, reduce stress, and enhance longevity. Ashwagandha is best known for its ability to reduce stress and anxiety. Studies show it helps lower cortisol levels, improve brain function, and boost immunity. Modern research confirms ashwagandha's effects on stress, strength, and immunity. Clinical trials show significant improvement in mental clarity and endurance. Ashwagandha can be taken as a powder, capsule, or tea. Experts recommend 300 to 600 milligrams daily for optimal benefits. While ashwagandha is safe for most people, pregnant women, those with autoimmune diseases, and people on thyroid medication should consult a doctor before use. Ashwagandha is a powerful natural herb with multiple health benefits. Want to experience its effects? Try a high-quality supplement today and start your journey to better health. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more informative content.